I'm teaching you how to make slime today. So what you'll be needing is a bowl, something to mix with, and strawberries. So let's get right to the video. So you'll be putting all the strawberries in the bowl. If I can get it open. Then it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Before I touch it, I will show you how guys look. It's hot, but you're gonna have to stir it. Okay, then you're gonna put it back in the microwave for another 20 seconds. I'm coming. Then it comes out like this. Then you put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. 20. Then it will come out like this.
Hey, dude, let go. Go still, come on, man, let go. People from the church.
It will still be a little hot, but you can still play with it. There's your slime. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Put some comments down to see how it worked for you. You need no detergent, no soap, no water, no shaving cream, no eye contact solution, nothing, just strawberries. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.